We're very fortunate to have you as our commissioner. You run a great show. There's absolutely no doubt about it. I always allude to the fact that I've been a head coach in the FCIAC, I've been a head coach in the SWC, and now I'm lucky enough to, I can't say lucky enough, but to be in the SCC. I want to welcome all the new coaches to our league. You guys better cross your T's and dot your I's, fellas. This is a tough league. A lot of great coaches, a lot of great players. But again, welcome and good luck. I don't know. Am I the only one who misses Ed McCarthy, waiting for him to get up here to speak? I know he always had some good stories to make us laugh. He will be missed. I want to thank the media for all that you do for high school football. You guys do a tremendous job. And I've been around for a long time. It says in here that I've been in 17 years. Well, there's 23 years missing, and I've never had, again, the game has never been as exciting as it is right now, and you guys have a lot to do with it. Thank you very much. Again, playing in this league, you really have to work hard. And last year, we were very young. And first and foremost, I want to introduce my captain. One of my captains right now is Mike Howell. He's a 3-year starter for us. He's an inside linebacker. We usually wait for the first week of camp to pick our remaining captains, but Mike has stood out with his leadership throughout the preseason. And again, I want to thank Mike for all he does for us.